Welcome back. It's good to have you in the studio. Today's video, we're going to be looking at products that are selling really well right now because of the lockdowns that's happening because of the coronavirus, right? So people are locked down in some communities. People are in isolation. People are in quarantine. How does this affect your Amazon store? Well, how does it affect products out there that are selling right now? And what are some products out there that you should or could be looking into? So here's one product, guys. I'm going to show you one product in today's training which is doing incredible numbers, all right? And I'm also going to show you what to look out for, all right? So stay with me. We'll be back in a second. Welcome back. All right, so as you can sort of see here, this particular product, let me just show you, right? This is let me just zoom out here so you can see it, right? Dipping powder nails, right? People are stuck at home. People are in isolation at the moment. People are in lockdown. People are in quarantine. They can't go out to the nail salon. They can't go out to the beauty salon. They can't even go and get their hair cut. So what choices did that leave them? Well, it means that you have to do it yourself, DIY. So DIY is coming back in, all right? So these are dipping powder nails kit, 4-color, easy to apply. It's like a powder that you don't need a UV lamp, right? By the way, UV lamps are doing some good numbers. Have a look at them, right? So I run the numbers in this particular product, 28,000 US on this particular product, all right? 623 sales per month, doing some good revenue. So guys, this is kind of what you need to look for, right? Because people are in lockdown, isolation, quarantine, right? They can't go to the hairdresser. They can't go to the hair salon or the beauty salon. They've got to do the DIY, and this will come back in. Now let me tell you, when they lift the lockdown, regardless of what country you're in, whether it's Australia, New Zealand, or America, or Europe, when they lift it, do you think people are going to start rushing back to the hair salon with ease? Or immediately start booking in restaurants like they used to? Probably not. Right, it's going to take a long time for people to get used to going back and doing that sort of stuff, all right? So the DIY will probably have a lot longer life cycle than you think. All right, so keep that in mind. Thank you for joining me. And if you'd like to find out more information or would like to join one of my free online trainings, below this video there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to see you on the live stream, all right? Yeah, good to have you here, and I'd love to help you. If you're based in Australia or New Zealand, we do have a program coming up in September this year where we are going to be doing a live workshop, all right? And also on the training, every Monday night we do teleconferencing and live Zoom trainings where I show you the latest products that are selling right now. Have a great day. Stay safe. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.